morning, guys. It's your girl Paris. Welcome back to another video. So we're starting off this vlog working out in my gym downstairs. Remember I said we were building that gym. If you check that previous videos, you will see that. And it has been updated, so you'll see. I'll show it as well. So we're gonna go downstairs. It's currently 9:44. Saturday, May 3rd, and we are going to do cardio. I'm gonna start off slow cardio, okay? So cardio will be on the Stairmaster. Now, I am afraid and very intimidated by the Stairmaster, so we're gonna see how this goes, okay? Before I go any further, welcome if you're new, welcome back if you're not. Thank you for returning. Thank you for staying tuned in with me, staying, patient as I roll out the video. So thank you guys. So I watched a few videos on Stairmaster routines, and I kind of seen this one. See, it's a focus. So I'm going to start off level 3, try to do 45 minutes on that. 5 to 6, 2 minutes. 7 to 8, 2 minutes. And level 6, 1 minute. To repeat that 2 times. Hopefully I can make it 2 times. I probably won't make it the first time, but we're going to see. So we're going to go downstairs, all right?
She tryna show that she like me. I put on the road, cut a nigga leg, I swear you can knock down a titan. I'm on their mouth, chewing me up. I made a new flavor with Trident. I'm the president's I look dead. What a nigga mean? Vote Joe Biden. I stand on a briefcase, big old AK. Nigga wouldn't do no hiding. This hoe real bad, her nigga a lane, so let's try me got a A-. I'm fuck with a check, Verizon. Have a best friend to
Alright, y'all see the workout. I'm out of breath. I can't. Yeah, that shows I got a lot of work to do. I'm out of breath. I've been out the gym for a couple of months, so I gotta get back. But I do want to show you guys the gym. I'm talking quiet because my family's asleep, so I gotta keep it quiet. But I want to show you the finished no, it's finished. I want to show you the finished gym. So I'm gonna turn you all around. So this is the flooring. The flooring from Home Depot. I'll insert a clip of it. And if you want a price breakdown, I can do a price breakdown of everything. Gosh. Stairmaster. You turn the cage around. But, yep. Got this. What? Still finished. And I got the bar for the landmine. I'm gonna do a lot of those. So we got my mirrors up. We're not going to paint at all, but so what it's looking like. And then we have our root fit. Our root fit leg press / hack squat machine. Yeah. This is what it looks like. Floor looks amazing. Of course, it was an expensive project. Like I said, if you want the price breakdown, we can do the price breakdown. So you can see how much it would cost to get your own gym, and then I'm still not done yet, so. But yeah, that wraps this up, buddy. But yeah, I'm done, tapped out. I'll see y'all on Monday. Peace out. Good morning, guys. It's currently Sunday, May 4th, and I'm going to work out again in the gym today. I know yesterday I said I was not going to work out, but after looking back at the clip of yesterday's, part of the vlog, it didn't come out right. So I'm going to do it again today and then some. So I'm going to do the Stairmaster probably for 5 minutes, if I can make it that long, and then I'm probably going to do like some legs. But before I do any of that, I will take my pre-workout, the Oxy Shred. But yeah, welcome back to the video. Let's get into it.
Okay, little dirty, nappy headed East Atlanta nigga, father said enough was a force. 44 Hank, Aaron Chrome, wanna make it home, then get out the Porsche. Let a nigga cover faded for it, had to fade a nigga at the faded for it. It's tomato or tomato, either way, the boy the greatest play it. I won't say it no more. I was just fucked up, I was just down bad. I had to tighten the fuck up, but I'm here for the crown. Board of education versus Brown. I was board of education, left the town. Fuck a resume, fuck a cap and gown, fuck a background, check background. When I get the check, nigga, that's now. I was just fucked up. I was just down. I had to tighten the fuck up, but I'm here for the crown. Shit, I was just fucked up. I was just down. I had to tighten the fuck up, but I'm here for the crown.
I was just fucked up. I was just down. Pick up the bag, pick up the slack, pick up the litter, don't let it no bag. I see them picking up racks, raps make clear they act me too. And I'm back in the booth, got them back in the shack. They lacking it, these niggas dropping the party, I'm stacking them fools. I can shoot out the side of your face, we ain't jacking it. We ain't jabbing them fools, hit a nap, you do just embarrassing. Who going crazy like us, no comparison. Dribble like Marion Jones on the steroids. Y'all niggas slow as a heroin high. Y'all had a year, but you let it go by.
I was just fucked up. I was just down. I had to tighten the fuck up, but I'm here for the crown. Oh shit, I was just fucked up. I was just down. I had to tighten the fuck up, but I'm here for the crown.
Dreamville, head honcho, bitch, we came from nothing, just like the Big Bang Theory. The poverty state kept the pain buried and covered the shame with a dream. We would have fortune and fame, women in the bank, chameleon paint, turn cream.
Hey guys, we are starting another day. Well, let's not say starting, but it's another day. It's currently May 5th, Cinco de Mayo day. Got off work maybe 2 hours ago and cooked dinner for me and my family, and I let my food digest for a little bit, and I'm gonna go work out. Today we're doing exercises using the landmine bar. And we're gonna do, for cardio, I'm gonna get on the bicycle. I did end up getting that. Something small, something I can fold up, move out the way if I need to. So that's what I will be doing today. Landmines. I think each exercise I do is going to be 3 sets of 8. And cardio probably as far as I can go.
It costs for me to step. 1300 on some new product. I buy fresh deal. I look like $1 million. You can keep the love. I need my drugs, baby. I buy AMG. I'm flyer than the dub, baby. I just left Louis V. I'm cleaner than some dub, baby. It costs for me to step. 1300 on some new product. I buy fresh deal. I look like $1 million. You can keep the love. I need my drugs, baby. I buy AMG. I'm flyer than the dub, baby. I just left Louis V. I'm cleaner than some dub, baby. Dirty gangs, dirty world, get it out the mud, baby. I be making plays, Phil Jackson. I done put them racks inside the mattress. We can fuck the same hoe, it ain't an issue. Bro, they shoot with the left hand, Derek Fisher. Bro, they shoot with the left hand, Julian Round. Fuck the bad bitch, and Giuseppe Sanders. Pussy nigga, I'm the boss, who your manager? I'm in the track hole, he in a challenger. It costs for me to step, 1500 on Lavin, nigga. You can catch me with my dog, like I'm shagging, nigga. Real trap, nigga, I know all the addicts, nigga. Bust out Cardi on my wrist, I'm gonna drop a paddock, nigga. Trap phone ridiculous, cautious sign opinion. Rent a car tinted, trap niggas winning. He can't leave the kitchen, phone like the leaking. He a walking, a walking piece of chicken. For me to step, 1300 on some new.
Run it up!
I look like $1 million. You can keep the love, I need my drugs, baby. How about AMG, I'm flyer than the dub, baby. I just left Louis V, I'm cleaner than some dub, baby. Dirty gangs, dirty world, get it out the mud, baby. It costs for me to step. 1300 on some new product. I buy fresh deal. I look like $1 million. You can keep the love, I need my drugs, baby. How about AMG, I'm flyer than the dub, baby. I just left Louis V, I'm cleaner than some dub, baby. Dirty gangs, dirty world, get it out the mud, baby.
them. Shorty have me drip, proud of them. Put it on the jet, out of here. 2024, all year. Call paramedics, killing them. Stepping on their neck, really him. Pulling leather vest, nigga trim. Running up a check, stacking them. Yeah. Hold on. I caught the top, Balenciaga. Put it in their face, bend down on them. Fly to Abu Dhabi, spin around them. Shit like a party, I ain't going on them. Tagged by sticks, I feel better. I see these buck out of vendetta. I keep a bitch, a big nutter. You ain't seen one, could've planned better. I smoke on the sky, Coretta. Pop Percocet, help me feel better. Set the trend, I'm a trendsetter. I'm not arrested, getting cheddar. Put on my wrist, timeless. Certified factory diamonds. Young nigga going diamond. First they call me Your Highness. Flip a nigga bitch, she tag team shit. I'm passing up on Mary Ryan. Cook up a hit like I'm whipping up. Out whipping that shit like a Cayenne. I got the swag, proud of them. Shorty have me drip, proud of them. Put it on the jet, out of here. 2024, all year. Call paramedics, killing them. Stepping on their necks, really him. Louis leather vest, nigga trim. Running up a check, stacking them. Turn up your bitch, Cinderella. 2024, Margiela. Money in the wall, car telling. Mansion in the hills, mall in it. Cold in the St. Laurent chinchilla. Me when I walk, I can spin bigger. Looking in the eyes, see the sand in them. Fuck it, baby, go and bring your friend with her. Young rich bastard, I got 10 figures. Running nigga pockets, I ain't friends with them. 10 years in and I'm still winning. You don't talk to bitches cause you been tender. Put her in the dot, then sky, yammy. Look at the clock, roll like a Grammy. Go fight the light, no they can't stand me. Kids at the house, 100 to a nanny. Stood on my 10, ain't nobody behind. I don't see the cap, I go wait, y'all blind. I went Ferrari and 2 got the spine.
It's the end of today's workout. We did arms and back, cable with the cage. So I'm out of breath. And that was with no pre-workout whatsoever because it is almost probably 10 o'clock at night. If I'm not mistaken, I don't know. But yeah, that might be the end of the vlog. Today's Thursday. Nope, sorry, today is Wednesday, May 7th. So today may be the end of today's vlog, like for this week's vlog, so I can get it up and edit it for you guys. But if I do decide to come back, I'll work out tomorrow. So we'll see. Alright.